If you're looking for a quick, easy, toolless way to hang pictures on your wall without doing any damage to the wall, you might want to try these little hanging strips. They interlock together. One goes on the wall, one goes on the picture. So start with the frame first. Just peel off the backing. Stick it on. Top. Now just grab another one and interlock it with the existing ones on the frame. And peel off the adhesive. Then you just stick it on the wall. I like to use a level. And when you're ready to move the picture, just pull it right off. And the great thing about this, grab the tab, pull straight down, no damage.